Welcome back to Hungry Buns. So, Manchurian is a side dish that we all enjoyed. There is chicken as well as veg Manchurian. But today we're gonna do very special cabbage Manchurian. These are the main ingredients for that. Begin the recipe by taking a mixie bowl and 1 cup of grated cabbage. Now let's add some spices to it. Half teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, half teaspoon of pepper powder, almost 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, and a pinch of turmeric powder. Add the required salt. Now we are going to make all of these together. Combine it very well till all the spices gets mixed. After the spices are mixed, add 1 small cup of corn flour and half cup of all-purpose flour, that is plain flour. Mix it together and make a dough out of it. Add some water. Be careful about the quantity of water because we do not want a very stiff dough. Just ensure that it's all combined well and can to make small balls out of it. The dough is ready, so I'm gonna make small balls out of it, or else you can make it only at the time of frying and put straight to the oil. The balls are ready. Now we are going to deep fry them. Heat a pan with oil. When the oil gets heated, fry the Manchurian balls. Please try not to overcrowd the pan. When one side is ready, flip on to the other side. It's ready now. Move on to your kitchen towel. Fry both sides until it gets cooked and having a crispy texture. Frying the second batch of Manchurian balls. You can also serve them as it is if you want because it is absolutely delicious. Now we can make the sauce. For that, heat a pan and pour some oil. Add half teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Half chopped onion, and 1 roughly chopped green chilli. Mix it all well. When it's cooked, add tomato sauce, soya sauce, and some vinegar. The vinegar basically going to balance all the flavors. Now mix it and cook the sauce for just 1 minute. Add the salt we needed and mix it all well. Cook the sauce for just 1 minute and add some water to it. Mix some corn flour on water and pour to it. It's for making it thicken. We are adding water to this sauce to ensure we can coat all the Manchurian balls evenly. Now we're going to cook it in low flame until it gets thickened. It takes just about 30 seconds. Now add the Manchurian balls to it. Finally, I am adding chopped curry leaves. You can use spring onion instead. Give a mix and it's ready. It's really yummy. The Manchurian balls gets absorb the sauce and it's become very soft. Do try it and send me feedbacks. If you are watching my video for the first time, please subscribe my channel and thank you for all the support. See you with another video.